Nelson Mandela rightly said, education is the most powerful weapon which can be used to truly transform the world. Firstly, I congratulate all the students, teachers, parents, and in fact every Indian witnessing the Indian education system making a paradigm shift towards a new future by the introduction of National Education Policy NEP 2020. We at Roots Education are extremely thrilled as we cruise through the policy, appreciating the government's move to transform the students from a very nascent stage. We at Roots feel really honored as we are in absolute alignment with visionary national education policy, and we welcome this phenomenal change wholeheartedly. In fact, Ministry's emphasis on key points of requirements like critical thinking skills, problem solving skills, life skills, experiential learning, activity-based learning, and much more like vocational skills are indeed the need of the hour for every student out there. And I feel really special to share that we at Roots have already been implementing the above mentioned skills through our extensively researched and organized programs. Roots Education hopes to be a torch bearer to usher in a new era of application-based education, unlike the theoretical-based education, and ensure the quality education reaches to every student in line with our motto, every student matters. My best wishes to all the students out there. Cherish this moment. Thank you. Vinay Patil signing off. Best wishes for the new era of education.